Step-Thru fat tire. This is a new category that only came out 3 years ago. So before that, you could only get fat tires with the bar across, so a regular mountain bike style, and then the Step-Thrus came. And you definitely need to have a strong frame. With Step-Thrus in the past, if they were too thin, you got a lot of movement. And so now, if you can see the girthiness of this frame, and this is what I have at home. This is what my husband has as well, because, you know, dismounting, this would be a better choice, right, for safety. But there's not a whole lot of choices. We have a whole line of the mountain bike fat tire, but when it comes to a Step-Thru, there's not as many choices, but at Ride the Wind we have 4, which is really nice. So this is Tow Bike that we carried. This is the Tour 2026. Beautiful bike, gorgeous bike. So let me bring out the car. And this is the Pro Series. So this is gonna come with your Bluetooth screen, quick shift 8-gear Shimano Altus, I believe. Yep. Adjusting handlebars. Just a really nice bike. Comes with great colors, integrated lights, mag wheels. And oh my gosh, how much is it? I think they're $25.49. The dyno is $18.99, $19.99. Quanta, its brother, is $18.99, but the Step-Thru is the dyno, $19.99 for the 15 amp hour. So you can see it's the same frame, it's the same stamp of the frame, but the components aren't going to be as high. So it doesn't have the quick shift for the shifter. It has a 7-gear Shimano, but it's a tourney, not the Altus, which is a nicer, it's just a more expensive component. We no longer have mag wheels, still has signal lights, so we'll go into some more details, but this one's been flying out of the door just because for $19.99, you can't beat this, right? The VFO, whatever we want to call this. This is a thinner frame to it. It's very similar to the Vigar, but it's a different frame shape. So this is kind of like the original lineup from Emo. This is kind of like the Grown as well, same 17.5 amp hour battery. Still a lot of pro components, like the adjusting handlebars, but it doesn't have the Altus 8-gear quick shift shifting system. And it's kind of it comes down to preference. Which one do you prefer? The look of, colors. Seat also is the same height, super low, but can go very high as well. So this fits all sorts of different size people. And those are your choices. And when you're buying a bike and you actually want to touch it, feel it, see it, Ride the Wind is where it's at. We always have these bikes in stock. As you can see, we've got over 100 in the showroom. And so we always make sure that we have one of every single model so that you can come look at the Tour, Tour S, Vigar, the dyno, and the VFO for your Step-Thru fat tire electric bicycle. There you go.